Are sharks fish? Hi guys, welcome to the zoological world. Today we are going to talk about are sharks fish? Please, if you are enriched by our video so YouTube can show this to more people, subscribe and share, we will really appreciate it, thanks. Sharks are aquatic animals, as we all know. They inhabit the water and utilize their gills for breathing while filtering oxygen from the seawater. But, are sharks fish? Yes. Sharks are fish, but they are special kinds of fish because they have distinguishing bones. Their bones are made up of cartilage, unlike other fishes. Are sharks considered fish? Scientists believe that sharks have been around for more than 400 million years, based on the information available from fossilized teeth and measures. They were present long before the dinosaurs. The ocean's prime predators have evolved into approximately 500 species of various dimensions and colors. Each of them has a diverse diet and exhibits unique behaviors. Sharks also come into a subdivision of fish called elasmobranchi. Species in this particular division have bones made from cartilage and not traditional bones. They have almost 5 to 7 gills cleavages on each side of their heads. In contrast, other fishes have only one gill slit on each side of the head. These slits aid them in filtering oxygen from the water. What are the fish that swim? Sharks. You often have seen images of fishes attached to sharks. These are remora, also called sharksucker or suckerfish. They belong to the family Echiniidae, and they are famous for attaching themselves to shark bodies. They ride along with sharks and other huge marine animals and also submarines. These fishes attach themselves utilizing a flat, oval sucking plate that is present on top of their head. The disc, derived from the tapered portion of the dorsal fin. It contains a variable number of paired, crosswise plates. Remoras are slim, elongated, somewhat dark fishes. They are from 30 to 90 centimeters, 1 to 3 feet, in length. These fishes reside in more temperate waters and are found in all oceans of the world. Remoras feed on the residue of their host's meals. Thus, they share a healthy relationship with their riders. In some instances, they also operate as cleansers by consuming the external parasites of their transporters. Are sharks a type of fish? Sharks are fishes, but they are not similar to traditional fish. They have bones made up of cartilage while other fishes don't have their bones made up of cartilage. Sharks also have more fins on each side of the head than the traditional fish. Sharks utilize their gills to purify oxygen from the ocean water. They are a particular type of fish known as elasmobranches, which interprets fish made of cartilaginous tissues. The pure gristly stuff that your ears and nose tip are made of. The shark division also includes rays, sawfish, and skates. Their cartilaginous skeletons are much more buoyant than true bone, and their enormous livers are full of low-density oils, both assisting them to be floatable. What are the fish that stick to sharks? We often acknowledge relationships in the animal kingdom, either it is parasitic or let it be beneficial. But, sometimes, we also see such bonding among most unpredictable animals. If both partners in a relationship get the benefit, then it is termed as the symbiotic relationship. The remora is a tiny fish that normally covers between 1 and 3 feet long. Their front dorsal fins grew over time into a gland that sits like an attraction cup on the crown of their heads. This organ allows the remora to connect with a moving shark. They usually attach themselves to the shark's belly or underneath. Seldom they even attach to whales, manta rays, and the exclusive diver. The shark and remora association serves both species. Remoras eat fragments of prey dropped by the shark. They also consume parasites on the shark's skin and in its mouth. This benefits the shark because otherwise the parasites can cause harmful effects to the shark. What are the small fish that cling to sharks? Remoras are small fishes that have evolved with time. They bear a suction cup on the top of their head through which they attach themselves to a shark passing nearby. These fishes are relatively small when compared to the sharks. They are also dark in color, and their length is almost about 90 centimeters. Both sharks and these fishes exist in a beneficial relationship. The remoras eat the residue of the meals that sharks consume. On the other hand, the remoras clean up the shark by consuming all the parasites growing on the shark. They also enjoy a free ride while attaching themselves to the sharks. Are all sharks fish? Sharks are survivors. The most initial known sharks date back 420 million years. They are present on the planet Earth long before humans begin to inhabit it. Probably, they will stay here even if we go extinct. Sharks are very exciting and wondrous creatures. Because of this, people have many questions about sharks, like where they live, what they eat, how long they live, etc. There are almost 500 species of sharks swimming in the world's oceans. All of them fall into the class cartilaginous fish. So yes, all sharks are fish. Cartilaginous fish are extremely intelligent to the point they can resolve problems. The attribute, when linked with their big, powerful jaws, makes them the best predators. Are sharks fish or reptiles? There are several myths about the type of animal a shark is. People get confused whether it is a mammal or a reptile. No. A shark is not a mammal like whale. Neither are they reptiles like crocodiles or alligators. They lie under the category of fish. How many bones does a shark have? It is something quite tricky. The answer is none. Sharks are cartilaginous fish, which means that their skeletons are made completely of cartilage. It is the same squishy substance found in our human nose and ears. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please, if you are enriched by our video, like so YouTube can show this to more people, subscribe and share, we will really appreciate it. Thanks.